Charles Industries introduces the Tier Rated Underground Enclosures, TRU for short. These below-grade enclosures are engineered for incidental traffic in road rights-of-way, driveways, parking lots, and sidewalks. Made from advanced composite material, TRU enclosures are 50 to 75% lighter than equivalent polymer concrete alternatives while exceeding all requirements of ANSI SCTE 77. TRU enclosures provide Tier 15 and 22 performances with ease of handling and installation. Available in 4 cover sizes and options for color, custom nameplates, EMS markers, and security hardware. TRU enclosures are ideal for fiber optic splicing and slack storage, electrical connections, irrigation, and other control valves. For more specifications or for purchase assistance, visit charlesindustries.com.